All right, so if you want to hide your number when you're calling someone on a Google Pixel phone, there's two options for this. If you wanted to hide your number for a single one-time occasion, you can go to the phone app, and if you type in *67 before the phone number, the call is going to be displayed as either private, blocked, or unknown caller. So *67 and then type in the phone number, and the recipient isn't going to see your phone number. If you want to permanently hide your number, we can do that too. You'd go to the phone app, go to the home page, tap those three lines here, and go to Settings. Then, in the Settings, go to Calling Accounts. And here, I see my SIM card, so I'll tap that and then go to Additional Settings. Once this menu loads, there's the setting for Caller ID. I could use my network default, hide my number, or show my number. So, hide number is what you'd go with if you want to hide your number. I guess that's pretty self-explanatory. The network default and show number options both usually show your number. The difference is choosing who determines the default setting. You can either let your network, aka the carrier, control it, or control it yourself with the show number option. Anyways, that is how you hide your number on Google Pixel phones. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more. Later all.